We had another transporter show up, which means Daniel's car came in. I can't wait to see his reaction. Daniel got a Chaser. We haven't found him yet. He's somewhere around here, lost in the abyss. Go figure, when his car finally comes, Daniel is nowhere to be found.
Yeah, we don't know where he's at. Hey Daniel, sorry, at least that Daniel drove your car first.
You've never seen him park a car so fast in his life.
Oh my God, park the car, park the car!
Are we stoked for Daniel though?
Oh yeah.
So stoked.
I almost at least say this thing's got cut knuckles because it's got some camber.
It's here, boy!
Did it run? Did it drive
It
into
runs,
the spot?
it drives, all the carpet, everything's in the trunk.
No way.
Yeah,
It's got carpet.
everything's in the trunk. That's what you like though.
You saw pictures, you know.
He knows, he's excited.
Where's the trunk at?
Interior pieces,
Oh, nice.
floor mats, trunk pieces, extra set of tail lights.
Oh, we don't need any of that anyways. Weight reduction. I just told it up. Okay, Jacob just told it up.
Yeah, it's drift ready, bro. Let's pop the hood.
Is it good? Stock.
No, it's not quite stock.
got
You've
intercooler.
got ready radiator,
Okay.
HPI intercooler, HKS intake, Cusco strut tower bar with brake master cylinder stopper on it.
Instant what?
Change your hood latch, Daniel. Okay.
Well, Daniel's already drawn blood on
You
it.
made me bleed my own blood.
Nobody makes me bleed my own blood.
Aside from Daniel's car coming in, we have all the other cars. Well, that's not even all the other cars. I think that's like
It's on.
2 of 3.
This is
6, 8.
well, it'll be like 4 total.
4. So that's the second one. CJ,
Excited for you, buddy.
we're all excited for you.
See all this right here? That'll buff out.
So, apparently Josh got some fan mail, so I'm pretty excited to see what that's about. Let's check it out. Josh got fan mail.
Oh boy. Kind of small though.
Big things come in small packages.
Oh!
That's what she
So-
said. I got pretty big feet. I'm small.
So I got fans, and looks like this came from Dick Javelin. Well, thanks, Dick. I'll.
Is it Richard or is it Dick?
It says Dick. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god! Can we show that?
Oh. Okay, just kidding. It's a notebook. Somebody going in my book.
I don't know.
This is how we build. We build
I think
nasty engines
Cody
around
might.
here.
See, I actually have that book.
Except for it's on his phone.
So fan mail. Yeah, I guess that's a thing.
Fan mail. Keep them coming. Send us some stuff.
All right. Welcome back. We're doing some stuff. We're talking about some cars. We got a bunch of stuff in, and we want to kind of get you guys an update on some of the cars. We've been doing a lot of customer cars. A lot of people have been buying them up before they get here in the US, and then that takes time from us getting vehicles prepared. So if you're interested, we have a full list on the website. Definitely check that out. But let's talk about some cars. So this is a Y32 Brougham for our customer Bailey. We didn't import this car, but he sent it to us to basically get some super gangster VIP stuff. So we have, I don't remember the exact specs. We'll have to ask Ed and he can pop them in the description. but I believe they're 19 by 10 and 19 by 10 and a half or 11 in the rear. Obviously, we've got some pretty gangster camber going on. So we put some brand new Fortune Autos on here. We had to do some customization and stuff on this. So it's got 9.5 degrees of camber. We had to roll and pull both the front and rear to get it to fit in there. We ended up doing, oh my gosh, Fortune Autos, like I mentioned, we did S-chassis front suspension on this. So we swapped out the entire lower control arm, the knuckle, and had everything done there. Rear suspension arm setup, plus we needed a little bit more negative camber, so we ended up running T-demand rear upper control arms to get us as much camber as we needed just to get these big boy wheels to fit. But this thing's really cool. He's got basically the entire junction produce and, you know, catalog in here. So table tray, grip oil, steering wheel, but he's got, I think the only thing he's missing is the big boy pillows, but it's pretty sweet. So moving on from Bailey's car, we've got both of these cars. Now these are both two vehicles that we imported and they never made it to the website. So first off, we have Brandon's absolutely insane and gorgeous crown. It's not white, guys. We promised they made crowns in other colors, but white, but they're really hard to find. So this paint is absolutely insane. It's a gorgeous color. It actually has like a purple pearl in it. So if you catch it in the right light, you can see some of that purple in here. But we did BC's tent, the Carlson wheels. This thing has 14,000 original miles on it. It's literally a brand new car. The Carlsons fit perfectly. They just kind of belonged on the car, so. This thing freaking rules. We're just waiting on transporters to come pick that up. And then next to it, we have Brian's C34 Laurel. This thing is super cool. It is a Nissan Laurel. It's a Club S, so it has the RB25 DET in it. This thing's really cool. It's got the, I don't remember what wheels these are. Oh, they are Eurolines, but LED taillights. It's got a really cool exhaust on it. Oh, Ed just informed me these are the DZs.
They're the Euroline DZs. They're super cool.
Did you lick my eyeball?
I don't know, maybe. I was looking up when I was licking. But this thing also has like 30-some thousand original miles on it. Love this car. He actually flew in from Vegas to come check it out and test drove it and was like, I need it. So we're shipping that back out to him. And we're just, again, just waiting on transporters. But two cars, and there's plenty more that sell before they even get here. So if you guys are interested, like I said, we have a list. You can contact us, sales at Driver Motorsports. Give us a call, ask what we have coming in. You'll be talking to me if I answer the phone. If I don't answer the phone, I promise I'll get back to you. It's because I'm on the other line with somebody else and I left my phone in the office. No, I didn't. Let me make sure my ringer's off. 6 notifications in the last 5 minutes. A couple new cars we got in. An all white Crown, which is super cool if you see it from this side. Normally they're two-tone, but this one is all white. I think it looks really rad. I can't wait to slam it because it's gonna look really good. And it's the pearl white, so it looks with a little bit of paint correction. Another Gran Turismo Y33. This one is a Gloria. This one I think is a VQ30DE. This is a GX100, so one GFE, essentially a JZX100, same car. But GX100 Chaser, the birds have had a field day with it apparently. We haven't checked this one in yet. This one might be a JZX, I can't remember. Walk montage, Cody? All right, so this is one of the Celsiors that has come in the last week or so, but this thing's super, super nice. White, two-tone, tan leather interior. I believe it has like 70,000 miles on it, but you can never tell. We got work varianzas on it, new BCs, window tint, clear corner markers. I mean, you know, our formula for these things. But I got a bunch of people interested. I doubt this will make it to the website. So I guess you guys will find out. Another Y33, just put some AME Shallons on here. Looking real good. I've had a lot of people ask about this car in specific. This is a Toyota Hilux Surf. It's been resprayed that desert tan, but it's done real well. All the jams and everything have been painted. Leather seat covers. It's got freaking Weds off-road tires. We put some brand new Falcon tires on there. Did I say Weds tires? I'm going crazy, guys. Weds wheels, Falcon tires. This thing's super cool, turbo diesel. Another Surf that we just got in. This is also a turbo diesel. This thing's super, super clean on the inside. Black Land Cruiser. This is Chris's. That's all people need to know now. Yes, Cody made this face. 60 series Land Cruiser. This thing is insane. We couldn't even fit it into the showroom. It's so tall. JZX100 Chaser that's already pending. It did have Model 5 AVSs that were on it, but we already pulled those off. The front lip needs a little bit of repair. Another Crown that just got here. Is it a Crown? Is it white? Yes. Another Celsior. This is a 97. It's got cloth interior, but it's got LED side markers and a really cool lip on the rear that I dig a lot. A blue SEMA. See what I think the birds, man. Like, what is up with these birds for real though? That is a pterodactyl. That's the size of a baseball. JZX90 Tour V Auto with the ugliest wheels on this car for some reason. Like, I love these wheels, but it's just not a great look on this car with not being low. You guys will know about this, I promise, very soon. But let's walk inside and see what these guys, oh, they're starting something. Listen to that Nissan squeal. It's definitely a Nissan squeal. Yep. So it looks like Josh is trying to bleed an RB, but as you can see, and I promise again, there will be an update very shortly on this, but Rival 32 is back from paint. The guys have just been doing some undercoat and not rhino line, but lizard skin underneath the trans tunnel here. Just making sure the chassis is all the last little bits of preparation we want to do before we start getting subframes and motor and everything in this car. So just a little bit of chassis prep, but you guys will get a full update on that shortly. We added some vinyl here on the lifts so the guys know whose lift it is. Actually, let's go see what CJ's working on. CJ's got a Majesta in here. So this is a V8 Majesta. This one actually is a V8. For some reason, the 2J versions and the 1UZ versions all have the V8 badge. Still don't understand that, people, sorry. CJ must be on lunch or using the potty because he's not in here right now. But I rode in this the other day. It's nice. I love these Majestas. Let's move on to the inside. Kelvin's working on doing the check-in on this, or at least the detail side, the cleanup side of the check-in here on this 90 series Prado 2-door. This thing's rad. It's, you know, it's a really cool paint color. As you can see here, we got another Y32 on the lift, and the guys are getting ready to throw some BCs on here. What motor's this one got in it? This is a VG30E. If you guys didn't see it, since the Vibrant guys were in town last weekend, we finally got Rival's head back from the machine shop. So it is also just kind of sitting on here. It's not actually pressured onto the head, because with this manifold design, we actually need to get the block in the car and then we install the head and manifold in the chassis. So a little bit of a design thing that we had to work around when we were designing this manifold, but you guys will see more about this. But this is Rival 32's engine. We'll talk more about this in depth, but I figured you guys might want to see this in all of its glory before it gets ready to go in the car. Quick overview. It's a Nissan RB30 block with a Nitto 3.2 liter stroker, Nitto oil pump, fully custom built head with some crazy cams that I don't know if we're talking about yet. Big old precision turbo that's mounted off of the block here. Our custom manifold, Hypertune intake manifold, our custom cast plate. So we've got the Ross, wow, my brain. We've got the Ross cam angle sensor, and then Rage fuel pump, and then the custom. There's a lot to talk about on that, so we'll save that for another video. But if you like this video, comment down below. We started a Discord. The link is also going to be down below. I don't know what else to talk about. See you next time. Bye.